Hey guys, it's Susan. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a really good day. So far, so good over this way. I want to show you some peridot spiral earrings that I just made. These are casual earrings. You can wear them with jeans and a t-shirt, or I guess you can dress them up. But either way, they're easy to make, they're fun, and they're perfect for summer. So let me show you how to do this. To get started making these beautiful earrings, you're going to need 22 gauge wire, and I'm going to cut it 2.5 inches. You're going to need a little spiral charm, your cone, your earring wire, and this is peridot. I'm going to cut my wire 2.5 inches. I need to make a loop on one side, so I'm going to take my wire, bend it to the back, come in with my round nose pliers, and I'm going to roll it towards me. And I'm going to put on my peridot and my spiral. Now what I need to do is make a loop at the top. I'm going to bring my wire to the back, cut, and roll it towards me. I'm going to open up the first loop that I made, twisting the loop up. I'm going to hang on my cone and twist it back down. I'm going to open up my earring wire by twisting it, hanging on my earring, and closing it back down. And there you have it, so easy. I hope this video was helpful for you and useful, and you will give these earrings a try. They are so lovely on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.